How to recover your LinkedIn account without email or phone number. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to recover your LinkedIn account without email or phone number. Without further ado, let's begin. First, visit the LinkedIn website and click on Forget Password at bottom left near the login form. Now you will be guided to this Forget Password page where you have to enter email or phone where LinkedIn will send a verification code. So simply, you can enter a random email address on the section and click on the next button. Now you reach on this enter the 6-digit code where you need to simply click on can't access this email when the option appears at bottom left corner of the screen. Now you need to scan the QR code using your mobile's camera and tap the link that pops up. Now on your mobile, you need to enter your new email address. You can also add your LinkedIn public profile URL, but it's optional. Now click on continue button. Select your country and tap continue again. Verify your identity by tapping verify with persona, checking the boxes and selecting accept and continue. Then verify your identity by tapping verify and upload a photo of an accepted document for verifications. Wait while LinkedIn reviews your submission. Once approved, they will send you new login details via email. And with that, you will recover your LinkedIn accounts without email or phone number. So I hope this guide helped you. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.